Hello, my name is Alexis Caputo. Today's date is November 2nd, 2018, and I will be discussing microbiology laboratory preparation for microbiology 225. Although there is technically no experiment performed this week, we are to discuss the material that we outlined to prepare us for the entire course, including a calendar that we made up. And also I will be going through my lab kit and showing the incubation site that I chose for the future experiment. So this is the calendar for November that I outlined. All of the lab experiments are due Monday of the following weeks. However, I'm going to start the labs on Saturday, as I have outlined here. So I'll be starting next week's labs tomorrow, actually, because each experiment requires incubation of 1 to 3 days, and I don't want to run out of time, and I want to be able to finish everything by the due dates. So today I will actually begin the pouring plate process, which is required for the first 2 labs. And here are all the lab names for each week, and here are the number of weeks on the side. And then here is the remainder experiments for December, and then they finish in week 7. So my incubation site I chose is actually the cardboard box that the microscope came in, because all the drawers that I measured the temperature inside my house that would be potential for the labs are all way too cold to even promote growth. And this is the only place that had the proper temperature. So I will place them inside here and cover them up. And I will make sure to have the thermometer close by or either inside so that I can monitor the temperature to make sure it's the right temperature at all times. Lab kit, I actually got it a couple days ago, so I already went through and made sure to take out all the refrigerated required samples, and I put them in a bag labeled for the fridge. I'll actually go through some things on this list. So as I pointed before, these are the plastic tweezers. And then these are all the refrigerated items. E. coli culture. I put it in this little separate bag. Right here. And the slide box is right here. My goggles. Right here. The paper lens I actually had to look up, which is these. Here are the loop inoculation, which I actually had to look up because I didn't know what that was. And then here is the L-shaped spreader, which I also had to look that up. Right there. So that is just some of the tools that I had to look up, and I'm excited to start my experiments, and I'm going to put back these samples into the fridge.